white paper and then glue it. I'm gonna glue this welcome card onto the middle of this circle. Take 4 ice cream sticks and then paint your favorite color. I paint all the sticks with red and let it dry. Take colorful papers and then I'm gonna make some flowers. Take a spiral line and then cut it through this. Here it is. Wow. Spin this all the way to the middle and then I made one orange flower. I'm gonna make with all these colors. This is my last flower that I'm gonna glue here. I'm gonna glue these 2 ice cream sticks like this. Take some Pom Poms and then glue it here. Now make a hole in the center. Here is my welcome board. If you enjoy my video,